Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello from Frankfurt, Germany, and welcome to another short review of some GoPro originals. Today we have a look at the magnetic swivel clip from a GoPro. Let's have a look at the box first. Lifetime warranty, sweet. So that's the front side. Here is the side. A useful information here, compatible with all Hero cameras and Macs, so you can either use it together with a protecting case on your GoPro Hero 3, or you can use it in combination with the GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7. And since the GoPro Hero 8, you do have the typical GoPro clip attached to the bottom side of your GoPro camera, which is pretty nice. And let's unbox it. Let's have a look at the back side before we unbox it. So you can either use it for activities like skating, you attach it to any rail, or you can attach it to your backpack, which is pretty awesome if you're going to hike or something, or you're riding with a mountain bike and you don't want to carry the GoPro on a selfie stick and you don't want to attach it to your bike itself. So that's another cool perspective, and let's do the unboxing now. Wow, it's actually a bit bigger than I was expecting. It has a really solid build quality. As you can see, it's a clip. Wow, yeah, that's pretty tight, to be honest. And here one of these sliders which will fit in here. So attach this slider here with the GoPro Action Cam screw to your GoPro Hero 9. Then make sure you take this rubber seal here, lift it upwards, and then slide it into this little thing down here. And then it's attached to your GoPro. Make sure it's really inside. Now it's in there. Cool. That's how it looks like. You can turn it around. So if you attach it to your backpack like this, you need your camera to turn in this direction, or if you would like to have a different kind of perspective, let's say downward, that will fit as well. You can turn that 360 degrees around, which is pretty cool, and it gives you a different perspective. So well done, GoPro. There's one hidden feature which is pretty cool. So because this one here is magnetic. So take something which is magnetic. In this case, I'm using this one here. I know it's a bad example. See, okay, that is magnetic. But if you turn that around, as you can see, I can also, so the magnetic is so strong that I can lift my Rode podcast microphone using the GoPro clamp. Sweet.